The 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐡𝐭𝐬 Silicone Utensil Rest. Made of food-grade BPA-free silicone, this utensil rest won't slip or slide while you're cooking. Holds up to 4 spoons or spatulas, and the wide square base is designed to catch any drips. It also has a lip around the edges of the base to contain any larger messes or drops. This heat-resistant holder can be placed near the stove, countertop, or placed in any area that prep work or cooking is done. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today. The 𝐫𝐤𝐠𝐡𝐭𝐬 Splatter Screen. Made of high-grade stainless steel. It's BPA-free and constructed to withstand rust and corrosion over time. Features a heat-resistant handle and a fine mesh splatter guard. Blocks nearly 100% of kitchen grease splatter. This splatter guard keeps the mess in your pan to reduce the hassle of cleaning. It's easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly.
Hi, I'm BJ, and today I'll be demonstrating OXO's French press. It's believed that a French press offers the best cup of coffee because the grounds stay in direct contact with the brewing water. This way, you capture more of the coffee's flavor and essential oils. OXO's French press includes a glass carafe encased in stainless steel to keep coffee hot as long as possible. One of the problems with a traditional French press is the cleanup. To prepare coffee using the OXO French press, insert the groundskeeper, then add coffee grounds. Finally, pour hot water, cover, and let steep for 4 minutes. After the coffee is steeped, simply push down on the plunger and pour your perfect cup. Soft, non-slip grips on the handle and top make it comfortable to pour. Cleanup is a breeze. The silicone acts as a wiper along the sides of the carafe, allowing you to remove the grounds in one easy step. Hand wash the parts and place on a drying mat until you're ready for the next cup. When reassembling, make sure the groundskeeper is snapped onto the glass carafe. The OXO French press comes in a small size that brews 4 cups of coffee and a larger size that brews 8.